So, in today's list of messages, I have read out several mails, and they have asked several queries regarding sir how to make perfect notes. So, if you are preparing for any exam, there isn't kind of thing that perfect notes. But after reading out several blogs, articles, and listening interviews from the toppers, what I have concluded that you can make proper notes by applying three-way strategy. It is a three-step strategy. The very first one is that you need to mark the very important points while reading. If you are using online mode or offline mode, means if you are reading directly out from the book, or you are reading out from any Kindle or from the MacBook or from your smartphones or gadgets, you just mark the important points by using highlighter. In digital mode, you can also mark highlighter if you are using Kindle or MacBook, because by default there is an option of that in the reader. However, for smartphones and other gadgets, you can use any PDF reader, and nowadays they are providing such kind of tools there. So while doing your first reading, don't make note directly, because it will be it's simply like you are just jotting down the points without having much knowledge about it. So just go to the topic, read completely, and mark the highlight which you think that will be helpful for us in the future studies for the future aspects. Second time, while you are reading the same topic, at that time you just get that highlighted point and write down it in a copy or in a paper, fresh paper, by just using your memorize skills. Means do not need to write it as it is that is written in the book. By using your memorizing skill, that what you have read out earlier, and you can once again read out that important points and just try to make their notes by using your memorizing skill in your own words, means. And the third one is that try to update them as early as possible. You can also take help from your colleagues, your friends, and try to modify them, try to update them with the time, so that the new facts, new data that you want to add them, new numericals, new facts, you can add them up to. Because this is not a particular technique for any exam, but for all kind of levels of making notes. If you are a schooling student in a college, if you are preparing for any competitive exam, any kind of exam, this strategy I hope will be helpful for you. So I think this doubt is clear to you. Further, if you have any kind of doubts, queries, such kind of, you just comment us. You can also mail us. You can find the several links in our about section, and we'll try to solve them as early as possible. Have a very nice day, guys. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.